Okay. We can thank our Nancy, who was at a recent ukulele retreat, for showing us a variation on our finger picking, our finger exercise, which looks like this. And I am using classical guitar technique, alternating index and middle, but if you want, you can use your thumb or one finger, but try this out. It makes life so much easier. So Nancy's, what she learned is a variation of this. So let's look at this. We're going to start on the G string in the first fret, and we're going to do like half of this exercise. We're going to go first fret, second fret, third fret, fourth fret. Okay? Let's do it again. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what do? We're going to go down one string to the C string, but we're going to start on the second fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh! Can you guess what's next? We move down to the E string, third fret. And fourth fret, A string. Let me get this time. So we'll just do that. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting on the G string, first fret. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third fret. Fourth fret. Let's do it one more time together. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Hold all the fingers down your left hand. Place them in the sweet spot of the fret. Get the sweetest sound.